What's up, everyone? What's up, everybody? Can y'all hear me? If y'all can hear me, let me know, and let's get this started. I'm just sitting on Discord really quickly. Bro, I just got home, man. Come on. Yeah, put Discord to the side. Alright, let's see what's going on here on the chart, man. 4 hour. The Wi-Fi is not the Wi-Fi, the VPN again. Alright. Oh, wow. Incu actually delivered to the high. No way. Don't tell me Silver actually delivered to the high after we took that L. No. Bro. He actually did. Holy shit. Fuck's sake, bro. Look at that. We got tagged out somewhere in here and then let me go to M3. My trade was this. But I actually kind of delivered a little bit a lot lower and then yeah. We did get to the high. Shit. So the direction was correct. The timing was not. So anyways, let's see what we can frame here. I'll probably be trading maximum for half an hour today, so probably at 11 I'll call it a day because I still got a lot of things to do, so my brain is still busy with other things. So I'll see if I can catch like a 10 a.m. trade. If not, then yeah, I'll probably be like 30 to 45 minutes max. That's like maximum. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. We got 18 viewers here, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And yeah, that's really it. So let me get this started. So again, looking at this daily candle, as we know, we had a two-stage PSP at the lows just from 6 a.m. But a two-stage PSP at the lows started to deliver higher. We just traded above the current high, the previous daily high. So in that case, kind of that objective has been met. YM, which was the leading asset, failed to like kind of like slow down a bit to allow NQ to catch up. So now we might enter a new phase of price, which is not favorable. So the only thing I would really be willing to trade is some sort of like, again, retracement back into the gap or some sort of like 1 or 2 stage. That's really it. That's like the only thing I can do right now. We're already expanded. Look at that swing. Look at that beautiful swing. Fair to manipulate. Let me go to M3, see what happened with 930. Maybe like this entry here. Wait, what time did we form this swing? It was at 9, right? It was at 9. Is there some sort of cracks and correlation here? Any cracks and correlation? Yes. Not really. Not really. So anyways. Okay. So yeah. We gotta wait for this gap. This gap. And YM for this low. If we have that, then I will be interested to trade indices just to kind of continue with like the overall narrative. So just looking at the 6 a.m. I don't really want to fade the 6 a.m. Just look at 1800 again. Before we expanded, we formed that retracement back, we expanded, so I want to see the continuation off of that gap. If we can do that, that will be perfect. If not, then yeah, it is what it is. We'll have to wait for the hourly swing to form, and then we might take it back to the downside, but I'm not sure if I'll be here until then. I'm not really sure. So let me go to gold here. Let me go gold. Let me to silver to the side. It's already there. Again, looking at the 4 hour is just so beautiful. I still want to trade, as we said, at 6 a.m. We're gonna see this SMT just cause a retracement, and this one to be the one that to follow through to the high. So that's what I'll be going with. Again, with some sort of cracking correlation here. Like, just see one stage. Look at that. We already have your one stage with the PSP forming, but we don't have any second stage here. So, and also this is not a swing. If it was like a C2 here, that would be perfect. I would be literally trading it right now to go for this high here. So that would be the draw for today for silver. I'm still interested in trading into that draw. So let me just go ahead and take that off. So I would just be interested to trade into the high. We do have a PSP. Are we going to get the second stage? I'm not really sure. Euro. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get a second stage here. 30 minute. Let's see what the 30 minutes is like. Yep. So we gotta do the M15, man. We gotta go with the M15. So yeah, again, I just want to see a second stage here. Due to the fact that this is a bullish candle, and this one is also a bullish candle. This one is also a bullish candle. So price is just expanding. There's no retracement, so I want to see that retracement and then trade the expansion. Now we're already within that expansion, so I don't want to trade up. I don't want to trade within an expansion. I just want to trade within a. Oh, by the way, I'm on a short trade. I'm on a CL short, by the way. I took it on my phone, by the way. Oh, wait. I forgot to let y'all know. Where's my trader bait? I think I'm still in. I don't know if I got taken out or not. Like literally before sending you the link, I took it on my phone. I said let me check if I'm still on it or not. I think I would be still on. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm still on. All right, I'm going for that low. But how it's looking like it's not really the cleanest. I just took it from this gap here. So now I control my stop. Wait, I control my stop here. Because we just kind of confirmed the CISD within a gap. So, yep. Let's see. I want to trade that expansion back into the lows. So let's see if we can deliver. If it delivers, that'll be like 120 bucks. So we can mitigate the loss from the morning. If not, then that'll be, I don't know, like a $30 loss. Yeah, $35 loss. which is nothing. So yeah. So let me go back to MQ here. And yeah, so as I said, okay, this one is delivering bearish. That's good. That's really good. So yeah, we just gotta wait for the next 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see what kind of framework we'll be able to work with. So for this one, I think we do have a two-stage PSP. That's when I was on my phone on the way back. I saw some sort of two-stage PSP. Yeah, it was a two-stage PSP. Really? I'm looking at each. Oh, we kind of traded into the low. So I was like, maybe CL can catch up to at least this low. Even though like this is a relevant swing and we might reverse from here, but let's see. And yeah, just framing this hourly again, we had an hourly C3, so I was just wanted to trade the C4, even though it's not the cleanest, but yeah, let's give it its time. Let's give it its chance to play out. On the 30-minute, was it the 30-minute? I forgot, bro, which time frame. I was on my when I'm on my phone, bro. Like I just flip through time frames really quickly, so I have to make a decision real quick. Yeah, this was the PSP. So I was like, we have the PSP here. And was it a two-stage? Let me think. I think it was a two-stage. Oh, yeah. Let me get the alerts. Let me get the speaker. Okay. What gold he's doing? All right, perfect. Really good. All right, that's good. Come on, give me that two-stage. All right, really good. I think now CL is trading higher, so I think it might trade into my stop. I think my stop is somewhere in here. So I think we had a two-stage PSP. Yeah, that was a two-stage PSP. Literally, it's just like the same model that we traded for. Oh my god, let me take that off. The same model that we took on silver, but this one has already expanded. We traded below the low, and then again, I just traded the failure to manipulate. I traded this failure to manipulate with the anticipation that this high is going to stay intact. We're not really going to trade above it. So, can't hear the stream. Wait. 2 streams a day. Let's go. You end stream early. So you end stream early. So live. Okay, I got taken out. I just got taken out, by the way. Yep, just got taken out. Shit. Can't hear the stream live. Can y'all hear me or not? Wait. Y'all wait, let me make sure. What the fuck is that? What? Wait, let me make sure. I don't know why am I. Okay, that's all good. Alright. So, yeah, CL got taken out there. Very tiny loss. Shit, man. Can you make the music less? Yeah, of course. Let me check. Oh, that shit is too loud, actually. That's true. Is it better now? If it's better now, let me know. Okay. I can hear. Okay, perfect. Alright, let's see. It's time now to see what we're gonna get. Are we going to get this SMT fail? That would be good. That would be good. That's like the only continuation area that I would be willing to trade away from. But I don't like how we kind of fell into this place above the level compared to silver. Like we clearly traded above it and beyond it. So yeah, let's see. So are we gonna get some sort of strength switch? Because overall, silver is the one that's putting in higher highs. This one is taking out lows. This one is protecting the lows. So let's see how we will go. Let's see how it goes. Yes. I think we do have an SMT fail now. Yep, we do have an SMT fail. All right, GC. I like how each O is forming. That's really good. There are no gaps here, so you can even trade back to the current previous 4-hour candle. But we need an hourly swing to form with that SMT here, so to cap off the daily range, because that daily candle is bearish for the time being. So you just kind of try to cap off daily range with this cap. Let's see. Let me see. What time did this candle close? What's wrong with the internet? 10:30. What time did I enter? I've entered somewhere in here. 10:30. This is 10:30. Just open low and then I started flipping bullish. Alright. GC source? I'm actually interested in taking longs on silver for this SMT break. Just trying to anticipate this SMT break for the longest time, so I might have to retrace a little bit here. Probably some sort of hourly gap here. Yeah. 30 minutes? I think we do have 30 minutes better. Yeah. If we can have a proper correction correlation here, I would actually, but overall I'm interested in silver. I want to take silver long. Why? Also, why am I shading below the lows? Okay. SMT with PSB. Well, we gotta wait for a key level. What's the key level here? There is nothing, so we gotta wait a little bit. Let me see. Have we traded below the low? Let me see the hourly. Seems like we might have a strength switch here. No. Let me see the 90-minute. 15. There's nothing really here, man. There's nothing really. I think I'm not in the zone to trade, bro. I think I'm not in the zone to trade. There's a minor strength switch here. This one was lower, was weaker, then stronger. This one was stronger, now weaker. I can get that CA. I might take like one aggressive entry and then yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm like so out of the zone, so yeah. I feel like I'm cheating like shit, so gotta step out when it's not. When the vision is blurry. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure above or not. All right. So silver is flipping bullish, but there's no CISD level here, so we gotta wait. We gotta be a bit more for the next 15 minutes. If something sets up, that's good. If not, I'm just gonna call it a day. And don't forget to hit thumbs up, man. We got 19 viewers here and we only got 5 likes. Come on, man. Let's make it 10 likes. On my energy is so low, man. And there's in the next 3 hours there'll be a football match, so Morocco is playing. Gotta watch Morocco, man. Step up on it and you turn your back. All right. Again, as I said, so I really want to see just the continuation off of this gap. Looking at the 30-minute, let's see. We have a bigger gap, which is better. So let's see how will it go from here. So like both ES and oh wow, we're almost gonna have this assumption here now. One asset takes out a low, one asset is a little bit deeper in discount, and the other one is a little bit higher, which is ES in that case, I guess. Nah, same as NQ. So let's see. If not, then we're just confirming the high day with this change in state here, and we might deliver to that low. So let's see. Like, let me check. Was it here? No, which chart has the right cross here? Not this one. Not this one too. Okay. I think if you're not feeling it, better to... Yeah, that's true, man. That's really true. So we gotta wait here for like 10 minutes and let's see. I'm gonna call it a day, maybe. Not maybe. Like I'm gonna call it. We'll be back tomorrow. Probably tomorrow I won't be able to stream at 6. I probably will be back home tomorrow at like 8, 9. At 9 New York time. My time will be 2100. Like for now, this is my time. Like you guys already know my time now. It's 2200 now for me. So it's almost 11 p.m. here. So there's a 12-hour gap between here and America. So whatever you see that time, this is AM, PM for me. So all right. I think it's about that time to call it a day, man. We just hopped on just for hopping on, I guess. Let's see. Okay, we'll give it one more chance. Let's give it one more chance. Let's give silver this chance here to see if we're gonna have any cracks on correlation here, which I don't think we will. GPP is a little bit higher. Okay, what am I heavy? What am I having in one stage that we can trade away from? Let's see. Or better if we have like a strength switch here. So let's see. Let's give it 10 minutes. Okay. Overall, we have a minor strength switch here. Like overall, gold is stronger. Now it's putting in that lower low, so that's good. Let's see. Let's see if that SMT fill would do it or not. Are we gonna get that entry? Let's see. Has to go to the high. All right. It's not really delivering, so. One sec. All right, let me put it back to the main. Take that off. All right. I think we're gonna call it a day here, boys. Thank you guys for tuning in. So it was like a quick stream. Just this is the first time doing like 2 streams on the same day. So I hope next time will be better. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow at 10 again. But tomorrow I'll make sure to stream a bit earlier. And yeah, hopefully I will not be tired and we have a better vision there. So see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.